This is a quick review of Apple AirPods Pro, second generation. I checked Reddit to see what people are saying about them. Many users found the setup incredibly simple and fast. One user highlighted its quick, hassle-free initial connection. The design isn't the slimmest, yet it still looks good. Build quality is considered decent, especially for the price. Connections and ports offer enough for basic daily use. The companion app and interface work acceptably well. It's not the fastest, but definitely not a terrible experience. Some suggest external accessories for smoother interactions. A common point is that the sound isn't always amazing. Pairing with external speakers or a soundbar is often recommended. Let's discuss the pros and cons now. Setup is simple and quick, a definite plus. Performance is solid, offering great value for money. Apps function well for most everyday users. Reddit users agree on the great value. Sound quality can be lacking, external speakers help. The design is not super slim, as some have noted. The remote is quite basic, offering limited functions. The interface is okay, not as smooth as premium models. Many users noted the huge ANC improvement over Gen 1. Low-frequency noises like subway rumbling are now obliterated. Some users reported strange bugs during calls or ANC degradation. This sometimes requires reinserting an earbud to resolve. Ear tip fit issues can also affect ANC performance. Overall, most people on Reddit seem very happy. The main takeaway is to keep limitations in mind. Especially consider sound and the basic remote. But for the price, it's a really solid choice. That's the feedback I found from Reddit. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. The product link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.